We're making oilless okra soup today, green okra soup. This is very easy to make and turn out super delicious, and I hope you're going to give it a try. Let me know the outcome in the comment section. Comparing this soup with your soft banku, you will love it and it will take you to heaven. Wow, so delicious. Let's get started. To my saucepan, I added in goat meat, wele, dried salted fish, and then I seasoned it with good taste seasoning, meat seasoning. I added in 1 shrimp cube, salt. Because of the dried salted fish, don't add in much salt. So the plate, I was having onion, ginger, garlic, habanero pepper. I blended it until smooth and then I added it to the meat. I'll stir it and then I'll let this cook for at least 10 minutes for me to check if everything was on point before going in with water. Not that much, just to help cook the meat. So cover it and let it cook for at least 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, go ahead and add in the crabs, if you are using crabs of course, and then dried fish. I'm using, this is already cooked, that's why I didn't add it to it from the initial stage. So I'll cover it and then let it cook slowly until the meat is tender. Now you can go ahead and prep your okra and your spinach. So the okra that I used, I divided it into two. I used half, I cut half, I chopped half and kept it aside, and then I blended half. So add water to your saucepan, add in the chopped okra and then the blended okra. I didn't add in baking soda because I blended it, it was even much smoother for me. So I didn't add in baking soda, but if you want, you can add in baking soda if you want to. So cook it, do not overcook the okra. Once it was getting ready, I added mine to the soup, to the meat, and that was all. So don't overcook the okra. Lastly, I added in shrimps. This is totally optional, this does not take time to cook, so I added it to it at the last stage. I'll let this cook for about 7 to 10 minutes more, or until it is ready. This is totally optional. I added in spinach and it was okay. So if you want, you can add in more spinach. If not, you're good to go. So that's it, guys. It's very easy, it turned out delicious, and I hope you're going to give this amazing recipe a try, because trust me, it was delicious. If I tell you something is delicious, it is. If you want, you can do it without blending the okra, just chop it and add it to it like that, but I want it this way. And guys, look at this, this was delicious. I hope you're going to give this amazing recipe a try. Let me know the outcome in the comment section. If you really enjoyed watching this video, why don't you give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page. So once it was ready, I went in with my soft banku. And as you all know, banku is very easy to make. All you have to do is to add water to your corn dough, add in enough salt, put it on the fire, keep stirring until it gets solid, add in water if needed, and then you're looking for a soft banku. So make sure your banku is very soft, just as mine as seen in the video, and trust me, going to love it with your okra soup. You're good to go. So once it was ready, my friends were waiting for me. So I didn't eat this all alone, no. I ate this with my friends. They were waiting for me. Wow, so this was delicious. We really enjoyed it. I hope you tried this amazing recipe and let me know the outcome in the comment section. Just look at it, look at this, guys. Wow, this was delicious. And as you can tell from the video, how this banku was very soft. It was I feel like eating this right now. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.